What's going on, family? I was asked to show an up close picture of what your search would look like if you have a M-Sharp 48. And let me give you an up close so that way you can kind of see what's going on here. As you see here, when you first get it, here it'll say it'll have new miner when you first get it. After your first year, this is actually my third year. Um, yeah, this is my third year, going on my third year. So I'm an experienced miner now. And as you see, it shows you what surface metal, non-metal. And it shows my company here. You see, Argon Welding LLC. And this address is actually the office where you go and get your certifications done at. So if you in the area of Arizona, you need it, here goes the address. This guy, he's excellent, great trainer, man. He's a great teacher, speaker. I enjoy his class. Time goes by real fast. It's easy to stay engaged, and honestly, when you're doing teaching classes, if you can keep people involved and keep people attention and tell good stories, I mean, that helps a lot when you're doing a class. So he actually showed me some things that I want to add to my class here in the upcoming future. Now, that was the M-Sharp 48. Now, I'm going to show you an up close of the OSHA 10. So, it gives you your number so people can look it up and show you that you did your safety training. So, you are in the system once you get this. And this is just a small M-Sharp card, so one that you can keep in your wallet, And you have to get refreshers for your M-Sharp every year. But once you get your OSHA 10, I mean, it lasts. You don't have to get it done every year. And here go my AWS. So I want to give you an up close of that. How it comes in the mail. It'll have your number on it. And I actually have on here the date that you actually took the test and first got it. It'll have the position, D1.1 or whatever, whenever you took. Shield metal arc or whatever you taking. And mine was 6010 and 7018. It was 6G, half inch. And right now my certs are good to 129 2020, but I got a new one already in the mail, so it should be here any day now. And I also have my safety for first aid. So I went and got my first aid so I can actually help someone if we're on a job and something happen. I know how to administer first aid and CPR. So I got that, and it's good actually till September. So in September I have to get this redone, or right before September I need to get it redone. And they last for 3 years. As you see, 2017 is when I got it, 2020 when I got to renew it. And last is my iron worker card. NCCER. It has your number where the company can look it up, and it'll show you what you already have learned and studied and trained and all that good stuff. And then it shows you their website. And this is actually good for iron worker training, the skills and principles and guidelines and how to use tools and how to do structural buildings, tilt buildings, how to read prints. I mean, it goes on and on. Safety, fall protection. Very, very good class. I got a good opportunity to take it with a job that I was with, so I utilized it, and that's how I actually got this. I was on a job, and I took advantage of it. But needless to say, being independent, I would say your AWS, getting you an OSHA 10, and if you're doing the mines or in an area where they have mines and you want to go out there and do repairs or whatever, even if you're not mining, you're still considered a miner if you're on the mine. And also another good thing, some places have M-Sharp 46. Well, if you get a 48, like I do, it'll cover your 46 too. So you actually killing two birds in one stone with it. So I think that's a plus as well. So I just want to give you a little update on that so you kind of see it up close and personal. Because, I always like to say actions speak louder than words. People say a lot. But I actually pay for these, put my foot forward, and I keep them updated and keep things going on my own. Hold on.